Today we are going to show off here the 2024 Trailmaster 14RE. Starting off in the front here, this is a great unit. It's lightweight, it's small, but it's got lots of nifty features. Pretty standard, but we have a manual tongue jack and room for a 20-pound propane tank. Got a small compartment here for some storage. Perfect if you have camping chairs, any dirty propane equipment, stuff like that you don't want to mix in with your storage compartments on the inside. It's always nice to have some separation. We'll show you on the farther side a little bit more room. Got our 30 amp power supply there. Beautiful windows. Nice fresh decals. This is obviously a new unit, so it's still looking nice and clean. The interesting feature about the 14RE is the rear exit. Gives it a really unique floor plan on the inside for the small sides. You have a power awning here with some outdoor speakers and a little bit more room with this outdoor storage. Opens up a lot more on this side than it does on the other. Now let's take a peek on the inside at this rear entry. Now we're not going to move past this interesting feature either. People often overlook it, but it's a friction hinge. Door is really smooth and easy to open. However, it does not need to be latched anywhere. The friction hinges keep it in spot. So even with wind blowing, people moving it around, it keeps its place. It's a beautiful feature. Often overlooked, never underappreciated, at least here at Long Haul. Now if we close this up here, first thing we're going to look at is we step into this fridge unit here. So we have a dual propane and electric fridge freezer. Plenty of room to store some food for overnight stays or even a weekend. And we've got a washroom here. Let's open it up. Nice, clean, sleek. Everything you may need. We've got a toilet. And we've got our shower here with a curtain as well. You get a skylight fan. Nice LED lighting, throws a lot of light for the little battery it takes up and the little space it takes up. Do have some ports up there, an outlet and some connections if you would like to mount a TV. And let's look at this lounging area. Nice, easy, cleanable fabric. We'll show you at the end, but this converts to an extra sleeping area. For the smaller space that this Trailmaster is, they give you enough room to store. And this is the kitchen. You've got yourself a microwave here, traditional microwave. 2-burner propane stove top. Still gonna do lots of different meals, lots of creativity. Plenty of nice, deep, edge-to-edge storage areas. It's not eaten up by extra shut-off valves and connections. Deep, squared-off storage, pots, pans, anything you need. Fair amount of the wall space is dedicated to windows, which is great for lighting, great to take a peek what's going on around. But when you want to close it off, there is blackout curtains. Show off a little bit more storage here. Outlets, USB connections, and a nice fresh bed. Perfect for any couple. It's a smaller unit as mentioned before. Still plenty of storage for the people you would have in here. And if you do have a couple more friends or a younger child or even an adult, you've got extra storage down underneath. And an extra sleeping area. Still plenty of room to walk in and out, grab a drink if you need to. But a perfect little lightweight unit. Clean, sleek, easy to maintain. Come check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.